When repairing concrete, workers don't always have the luxury of waiting around for repair mortars to harden, especially in high-traffic areas. With this in mind, W.R. Meadows' line of FUTURA products is perfect for airport runways, structural patching of concrete pavements, bridges, and parking decks. It's also designed for repairing industrial floors, expansion joint nosings, sidewalks, and general commercial applications. W.R. Meadows' FUTURA 15 is the ideal concrete repair mortar when rapid hardening is a must. It may be top-coated with an epoxy in as little as 4 hours. FUTURA 45 has a longer setup time and can be top-coated in 24 hours. FUTURA products are one-component cementitious structural repair mortars designed for horizontal applications. They are composed of selected cements, graded sands, and chemical additives. Even in cold weather conditions, these proprietary blends produce structural repair mortars without the aid of chloride or gypsum-based accelerators. Since they contain no chlorides, they don't corrode reinforcing steel. As a matter of fact, their low permeability protects reinforcing steel from future corrosion. Being gypsum-free gives FUTURA products excellent resistance to freeze-thaw and wet environments. Their rapid strength gain enables repaired areas to be open to traffic in as little as an hour. FUTURA products are shrinkage compensated, which minimizes cracking and debonding. They can be extended up to 50% by weight with aggregate, making them economical and, since they're single component, easy to mix and simple to use. FUTURA 45 Extended can be used right out of the bag because it has aggregate already added. Surface preparation. Before using a FUTURA product, you first need to prepare the surface where it's going to be applied. Mechanically abrade the existing substrate to remove all unsound concrete, but don't use excessive force because this can cause microfracturing. Make sure the substrate is structurally sound and free of any contaminants that will adversely affect the bond. The prepared substrate must have a sufficient profile of a minimum 1/4 inch to ensure adequate mechanical lock. Saw cut the perimeter of the repair zone to a depth of 1/2 inch to avoid feather edging. Completely expose all the reinforcing steel, ensuring a minimum clearance of 3/4 of an inch behind the reinforcing steel. Pre-dampen the concrete substrate to a saturated surface dry condition, making sure to remove all standing water and puddles. Mixing. Using a suitable sized mortar-type mixer, add 4.75 to 5.4 pints of clean water to the mixer per bag, depending on the product you choose. Mix for 3 to 5 minutes until it's homogeneous and lump-free. Do not mix more product than can be mixed, placed, and finished in the allotted setup time at 70 degrees Fahrenheit, and do not overmix. Placement. Apply FUTURA with a trowel or screed. Compact the product well against the prepared substrate before bulk placement. Also, ensure the complete encapsulation of the reinforcing steel. Finish the surface by screeding to a level surface. For a rough finish, a broom or burlap bag is suitable. Do not retemper or overwork. Consult the appropriate installation guide for the product to be overlaid. Curing. FUTURA products must be immediately cured in accordance with ACI 308. On large patches, cure the repair zone as work proceeds. Wet curing for a minimum of 1 day, followed by a suitable W.R. Meadows curing compound, helps minimize shrinkage. W.R. Meadows is a leading manufacturer of concrete construction, concrete repair and restoration, and building envelope products and systems available worldwide through an authorized distributor network. Our products are backed by our reputation for quality, service, and integrity. For complete information on this product and any others offered by W.R. Meadows, visit our website and review our product in detail. You can also call us toll-free at 1-800-825-5976 or contact your local authorized W.R. Meadows distributor. W.R. Meadows is also on social media, so be sure to connect with us on our Facebook, Instagram, LinkedIn, X, and YouTube accounts.